Today in this video we're going to be unboxing the Fifine K699, and this microphone is great for streaming and it's really good. The audio you're hearing right now is recorded through the Fifine K699 and it is the processed audio. Raw and processed audio will be shown later, and it's a really good microphone. I would really recommend you buy it if you want to stream. Even for recording it's great, and the streaming quality um is great because of the quality it has normally and the OBS filters you can apply to get that top-notch quality even while streaming. So it's great. Enough talk, let's get right into the video, testing and unboxing this thing. Okay, let's get right into this. So let's just start by unboxing this product. And the microphone's great. It's the Fifine K699. You can get it for about $30, which is really well priced for a such a good microphone quality. And I would really recommend this microphone for streaming, as I said in the start, and it's great. Okay, so let's start off with the actual thing. So once you've started off, you'll actually see a user's manual with some information in it and some contact information for Fifine. Now, you should probably read through this guide just for sakes of like how to set it up and stuff. I won't be showing this off, but like if you ever get this mic, it's probably what you show. Then you have the sponge, and there you see the mic right there. Now, this mic is very well packed. The foam is high quality, and I touch it, I can feel it's really good. Let's take out the mic, and you will also have a stand in the little thing on the left of it, that container area, and you just have to connect the stand over to your microphone, which is really simple, and you just have to do that. And yeah, once you have that, you can connect it over to your PC using the USB. It's a plug and play, and it's really good. And let's get right into the audio quality and everything, and because the unboxing is done. One thing I have to put out there is that the microphone looks really clean, and that's a really good thing about this microphone. And it just, the packaging and everything looks really good, and it's a very high quality microphone for this budget. And it is made out of metal, and yeah, it's like a plasticky type of metal, but it feels like a good matte metal, so I like it. Okay, so now this is the quality of the mic, completely raw, nothing has been changed. The volume knob is near 0%. I'm gonna slowly turn it up. Now it's around the 25% mark. Now it's around the 50% mark. Now it's around the 75% mark. And now it is around the 100% mark. And closest to the 0% is probably the best part about this mic, the best level to put it at. A small millimeter can also make a huge change. So let me just pull this down to the previous thing. And it should still sound pretty good. And this is where it was earlier. And it should sound good. And this is the raw audio of the microphone. I'm gonna just do some plosives like pop, 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 pop. Okay, so this mic doesn't do as well in plosives, so what you can do is get like a pop filter or something like that to make the P's and all of the plosives sound a bit easier to like listen to. Now this is the processed audio of the microphone, and I've turned up the knob a little bit so that people with lower like volume settings on their headphones or whatever will be able to hear this. So the processed audio should sound insanely better than the other one, and this is the best microphone after processing. I would say it sounds good. Like it sounds as good as many microphones that cost thrice the price of this microphone. And yeah, this microphone is great. I'm gonna do some plosives on this. Pop, pop. So the process microphone, the settings I could will be on screen right now for the settings I'm using for the processing of this. Like the I'm using Premiere Pro to process this. I will also be showing off some OBS settings, which are the best for this microphone. As for people who want to stream, they would probably use the OBS settings because they cannot process straight off. So I'll be showing those off as well. Okay, so this is how the microphone should sound after all the settings are done in OBS, and it should sound pretty good. This is the audio you'd be hearing on stream while I'm streaming if I'm using this microphone, and yeah, sounds really good even on this. And I would really recommend this microphone for streaming. The settings should be on screen now um for the noise gate and everything I'm using for this microphone. And for everyone, it'll be, of course, different settings because of the background they're in. So for me, it's these settings. So overall, the Fifine K699 is an extremely good mic, which I would recommend for streaming and for everything you ever need. And if you had the opportunity to buy this mic and you're under the budget of $30, then I would really recommend this mic.